opportunity for you, and this is opportunity for you to share $1 million. $1 million. Yes, you heard me right. I mean $1 million. And this opportunity is here for 48 days left now. 48 days left. As you can see it right here. According to it, this is a $1 million trading contest. Trade perhaps and climb the leaderboard to win your share of $1 million home reward. Your realized profit and loss until January 1st determine your rank with the top 500 traders any reward. So this opportunity is for you right now. If you are a trader, a crypto trader, you know how to trade, this opportunity for you. Many people will not share this for you because they don't want to share it with you so that you will not be among. But if you can be among the top traders here, even though you lost, even though you earn profits, you will still rank on this. All what they are asking for is just for you to come and share this money with them if you can be among the top 500 traders on this platform. As you can see, if I keep on going down right here, you can see a lot of things. A lot of people have been climbing up the this thing right here. You can see a lot of people. This person, both his profit and loss, this person has about $28 in profit. So you can see that even though if you are a good trader, you can trade very well, you can actually earn up to this and climb the leaderboard. You can see this person rank 49. That means his volume is about $13,000, $13,781 dollars. That doesn't mean that that is the full money he has put in, but gradually trading of his account, that is the accumulation of the volume. You see right here, you can start with $10, even though if that is what you have with you. Your own is to keep on climbing the leaderboard. If you look here, you can see where I am in the leaderboard because I just start. You can see where I am in the leaderboard, so you can still see it right there. So, and that is not the only opportunity for you right here. I have another thing I need to let you know. If you registered right now, immediately you registered, you need to deposit within 74 hours, I think 72 hours, so that you are going to get a bonus of $1,000 for free. They are going to give you 1,000 bonus for free, just like that, for free. And it's part of it, you can lock part of it or you can use it to earn more XP. Earn XP when you do all this swap you can do. So when you deposit your first deposit on this, in case you want to start it, when you make your first deposit within 72 hours and you make your first swap, deposit, asset and swap crochet. Immediately you make your first swap, they are going to give you about 42,000, but I don't know the current price of it right now, worth of home token, which is about $1,000. They are going to give it to you. You can stake it to earn more. Yes, you can stake it to earn more, or you can it's not that you can stake it to earn more, it will be opening for you gradually. The more you participate on activities on this project on here, the more you trade, the more you do some other swapping, the more you use the platform, the more it will be unlocking for you. And the unlocking period is every Friday. Every Friday, part of it will be unlocked for you from that $1,000. I think just part of it will be unlocked for you every Friday. So but the more activities you do, the more it will unlock for you, the more token will unlock for you. If you just leave it there, then the fixed unlocking price, unlocking ratio It's only that fixed unlocking ratio that will be unlocked for you every day. But when you trade and you use the site, you use it for many things, then the more you use, the more token will be unlocked for you on a on every Friday, and you can withdraw it, sell it, and use the money. So you can see this is a two-in-one opportunity. This is a two-in-one opportunity. You are using one stone to kill two bird or three bird at once. If you are a trader, the more you are trading on the site, that $1,000 will be unlocking for you. Every Friday, you have your money. You can even add it back to the trading and use it to trade, or you can just use it to soft your life. So that is it. If you are interested, check the description of this video or the first comment section of this video. You will see the link to come to this and start doing the context. You can see this is the contest here. So immediately when you join, the first thing, please make sure you deposit before 72 hours. Before 72 hours. That is, I think, about before 3 days. Make sure you deposit into the site. So after you make your deposit, make sure you do swapping. If you deposit USDT or USDC, in case you want to deposit, just click here. You can deposit to your fund account direct, or you can just deposit to here. So I will say you should deposit to here fund spot account. So from here you can move it to your PAP account later. So just click on fund spot account. So this is it. You can connect your MetaMask, Phantom, Rabi wallet, and 1000 plus other wallets like that. Just connect it, and you will just type in the amount you want to deposit, then you do the sign and confirm the transaction, then immediately the money will appear in your wallet here. Or you can just do the transfer method. Just click here and copy the wallet address or scan the code, make your deposit. You can deposit with your bank card also. Just input your deposit with your bank card. So that is it, and use it to buy what you want to buy, the coin you want to buy. So that is it. So immediately you make your first deposit, the next thing to do immediately is to swap. You can swap to any coin, you can swap to any coin. For me, I swap to home coin back to home coin so that I can use it to earn a lot of SP here. I can earn a lot of SP, and I lock the amount I deposit. You can see charge remaining 1,237 in charge. That means I will be earning in times 3 of my SP I will be I mean my the token that's supposed to be uh unlock for me every Friday will be times 3 because I have locked in some amount. I have staked in some amount of tokens here on this side so that that token will be unlocked in times 3. Maybe it is $1 that will be unlocking every Friday. It will be $3. If it is $3, it will be $9. So that is just how this one work. Just lock it, you will see everything on the side. That is the details. So in case you have done it and you want to trade on this, just click here and click on perpetual. Click on perpetual. Remember, just look through crypto and keep on doing it. So on your perpetual here, on your perpetual, in case you want to go long on Bitcoin, as you can see, Bitcoin price is currently going down, deeply going down right now. You can see it is around 102 this morning. One is around 103. The early this morning, you can see it's now 102 right now. So you can go for shorts. In case you want to go for shorts, you can go for short or you can go for long, depending on the way you analyze your market. And you analyze your market. So that is just it. That is just it. That is how to do it. You can put your leverage to be low so that your money will not be too go like that. So you can set your stop limit, stop loss, or take profit, all those stuff or things. So that you can have money to do more. You can have money to do more. You can go on cross or on fees. So that is just it. Even though you lost, yeah, you are still positioned. They will still position you. they will still position you somewhere. Even though you lost, you will still gain something on this update. You lost, you gain. You did not lose, you gain. So just be on the top 500. That is what they said. Just be on the top of the top 500. If you look here, you will see that a lot of people with massive money are trading on this site. If you look at it very well right here, a lot of massive people with massive money and a lot of people with low income are working there also. They are also trading. I'm waiting for this to load so that I can show you very clearly. I'm just waiting for that to load. So you have already seen it before, you have already seen it, what is there before. So that is just what this update is all about. So if you are interested, don't forget to check the description of this video or the first comment section and hop in. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.